welcome to my channel. In my last video we learned how to do a single crochet, and in this video we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. At the end of my last video I ended it with a single chain at the end, so just add one more chain. Now yarn over and insert your hook into that first stitch, pull a loop up, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. We're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. It's very similar to the single crochet, except you're just adding that yarn over beforehand, and you're pulling through 3 loops instead of 2. Sometimes it can be a little challenging to pull through all 3 loops, but with practice you will get the hang of it. So now we are on to our last half double crochet. So insert your hook, pull through all 3 loops. And now we're going to chain 2 and turn. So you should still have 11 stitches across the top. Now we're going to go back down the other way. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're just going to keep on doing the same thing. The reason why we chain 2 at the beginning of each row is so that your work doesn't get pulled or scrunched into that corner if you're making a taller stitch. So now we're on our last stitch. We're going to half double crochet into it just as normal. Pull through all 3 loops, chain 2 to prepare yourself for the next row. And now that you've learned how to do a half double crochet, my next video will be on how to do a double crochet. So if you'd like to learn how to do a double crochet, stick around for my next video. If you would like to help support my channel, check out my links below for some crochet supplies. Have a nice day. Bye.